Unlock the secret to generating passive income by harnessing the explosive power of AI for content creation. In this tutorial, we'll dive deep into how you can use artificial intelligence to create compelling content and turn it into a consistent stream of passive income. First, let's identify the tools for text generation. Consider platforms like Jasper, CopyAI, or ChatGPT to brainstorm and write articles, blog posts, or even scripts. Think of your niche Euro travel, finance, technology Euro, and use these AI assistants to produce high-quality content at lightning speed. You can create outlines, draft entire articles, or even come up with catchy headlines. Next, for visual content, tools like Midjourney, Dale 2, or Stable Diffusion are your best friends. Input descriptive prompts and watch stunning images, illustrations, or graphics come to life. These visuals can be used for blog post headers, social media graphics, or even as elements for digital products. Now, how do we monetize this AI-powered content? The options are vast. You can create and sell ebooks or guides on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad using your written text. Alternatively, leverage your AI-generated images to create print-on-demand products like shirts, mugs, or posters through services like Printful or Redbubble. Another avenue is affiliate marketing. Populate a niche blog or YouTube channel with AI-generated content and embed affiliate links to relevant products or services. The more content you produce, the higher your potential reach and passive income. Don't forget the power of a niche website or blog. Use AI to churn out optimized content regularly. Monetize through display advertising like Google AdSense or by offering premium AI-generated content behind a paywall. Remember, AI is a tool. Your creativity in guiding it and your strategy in monetizing it are key to unlocking true passive income. Start experimenting today and build your passive income empire with the power of AI.